Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I am possible. Hello and welcome back to the channel English with Anjali. So friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing great and learning this language great way. If you are learning this language and if you are thinking that you are not able to speak in English and you just get demotivated, then this video is going to quite helpful for you. Friends, if I would talk about nature, then you can see if you are watching a plants daily by daily, then you will not see any progress. If you will not see any changes, but after some days or after some months, if you are watching, then you will see drastic change. Yes, like this, if you are learning this language, then you will not see any progress or any changes in a single day or after 2 or 3 days. But if you are working on your English speaking journey, and if you are continuously working, then of course you will achieve your aim. So friends, you will have to become a consistent person. Like this, if you are not doing any practice and if you are just thinking that you will able to speak in English after some days, then you are not going to learn this. And if you are thinking that how long it will take that I will be fluent, then you don't have to think about this, because you are just in a starting phase and nothing can be changed even a single days. If you are working on your English speaking journey, if you are practice daily, then of course you will learn this. अगर आप भी ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि इंग्लिश मेरे लिए नहीं है, मैं इंग्लिश बोल ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, कितने दिनों से सीख रहा हूँ, आज 5, 6, 10 दिन या फिर महीनों दिन हो गया, देन आपको दिन के बारे में तो सोचना ही नहीं है, आपको जस्ट कंटिन्यूसली मेहनत करना है। बिकॉज इसके पहले आपने कभी इंग्लिश बोला ही नहीं। आप अगर बात करूँ मैं, जब से हम हैं बचपन से ही हम इंग्लिश में ही कभी भी नहीं बोले, बस हिंदी बोलते आ रहे हैं सबसे ही। देन हाउ इट कुड बी पॉसिबल दैट थिंग्स विल चेंज इन अ सिंगल डे? इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. You will have to be persistent and you will have to work continuously. You will have to practice daily and you don't get demotivated. Yes, for this I would like to recite a poem which is a very famous poem. I think you must have heard this. Poem is like this. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना खरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। If I would talk about nature, then if you are watching a plant daily by daily, then you will not see any changes. But after some days, if you are watching this plant, then if I would talk about some months or some years, then you will see the plant change into trees. So friends, like this, you have to become a persistent, be persistent, work continuously and practice daily by daily. You can listen English podcast, English news, English movie, you can watch with subtitles. I've already told you everything you have to start in English, whatever you are listening or watching. And if you are doing the same, then of course you will learn. Friends, don't get demotivated. Yes, be persistent, be patientful, that of course you can do it. Of course it will take time. Don't think about time. One day you will be fluent and then after your hard work will pay you. Yes, so don't think about time and don't get demotivated. बिकॉज कोई भी पौधा अगर आप रोज़ देखते हैं, देन वो अगर डेली बाय डेली आप देख रहे हैं, देन आप कोई भी चेंज नहीं देखेंगे। बट कुछ दिनों के बाद अगर आप उसको देखते हैं तो वही पौधा एक लंबे से पेड़ में बदल जाता है। देन यू हैव टू थिंक दिस थिंग्स. You can learn by your environment, you can learn by your nature, and if you are learning, then you will not get demotivated.